Good morning students everyone. Today I am going to explain solutions and colligative properties. Now in that one, colligative properties. These colligative properties, there are four types. In the four types, one compulsory will ask in the board exam 3 marks question. 3 marks question. One question compulsory, 3 mark question from the board exam out of this four. Very important. The four colligative properties are very important for your board exam point of view. One question compulsory, 3 marks. They are asking the exam previously. Every year they are asking one question. Now, what does that mean by colligative property? What does that mean by colligative property? The properties independent of nature of particles, but it depends on number of particles, is called as colligative properties. Now, based on these are number of particles, they are classified into four types. First one, relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, and osmotic pressure. Now I am going to explain first one, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure, short form RLVP. RLVP. Now in this one I will explain what is vapor pressure. What is vapor pressure? The pressure exerted by vapor molecule over the liquid surface when they are equilibrium between liquid and vapor molecule is called vapor pressure. Now with the vapor pressure increase with the increase the temperature. Now graphical representation. The graphical representation VP vapor pressure is increased, then temperature also increases, vapor pressure also increases. Now the vapor pressure of, now I am writing vapor pressure of solution, vapor pressure of solution containing non-volatile solute is less than that of vapor pressure of pure volatile solvent. Now by that, this solution of non-volatile solute is vapor pressure is always decrease. By that this solution non-volatile solute, always the vapor pressure is decrease. Now based on this concept explained by Raoult's law. The Raoult's law is also very important question. Raoult's law, very important question it is. Very important question, Raoult's law. Now what is meant by Raoult's law? What he was explained the concept. For a dilute solutions of two or more volatile liquids, the partial pressure of the any liquid is equal to product of the mole fraction of that liquid, and that vapor pressure of the liquid is called as Raoult's law. Now vapor pressure. Now let we can assume the vapor pressure is PA is equal to mole fraction of that liquid and vapor pressure of pure that liquid. Now it is a one solution. It is the next liquid. Vapor pressure of B liquid, mole fraction of B liquid and vapor pressure of pure volatile liquid. That is the P that liquid. Now if you take PS is equal to PA plus PV. PA plus PV. From the PA total solution is equal to PA plus PV solution. Now we know we can write as mole fraction of XA P naught A plus XB P naught B. Now here XA XB are mole fraction of the solutions. XA and XB are mole fraction of the solutions, and PA and PA naught and PB naught, they are vapor pressure of pure liquid A and B. Pure liquid A and B. Now Raoult's law is also applicable for the solution containing non-volatile solute. Let us assume solution is formed containing non-volatile A and volatile A and non-volatile solute B. Now I am writing the total solution. Now I am going to explain, that is PS is equal to mole fraction of A and P naught. Now the mole fraction of A we can write as PS is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of B into P naught. The mathematical change PS is equal to P naught minus P naught XB. Now PS minus P naught is equal to minus P naught and XB. Now the mathematical change, P naught minus PS is equal to P naught and XB. Now P naught minus PS by P naught is equal to XB. This is from the mole fraction. Now it is a relation between. Now in this one we can explain. Now we can write as P naught minus PS by P naught is equal the mole fraction we know already, number of moles of B liquid by number of moles of A liquid plus number of moles of B liquid. In this case the number of moles of B liquid very less than number of moles of A liquid, then the derivation number of moles of B is negligible. Now P naught minus PS by P naught is equal to NB by NA. Now NA we can write as W weight by molecular weight by WA by MA. Now mathematical change is P naught minus PS by P naught is equal to WB by MB into MA by WA. This is the equation for the relative lowering of vapor pressure. This is the equation for relative lowering of vapor pressure. Now I am going to explain second one, that is second Gauss-Lagrange properties. Second one, that is elevation in the boiling point, elevation in the boiling point, elevation in the boiling point. Now what is the meaning by boiling point? The temperature at which the vapor pressure of is liquid is equal to temperature of liquid is equal to